Exercise 2 Nouns. Oxford Junior English Grammar. Pick out the nouns and write whether they are proper, common, collective, material, or abstract. Sohan has a red car. Children drink milk. My brother is the captain of the team. Patna is the capital of Bihar. The cat has 2 eyes. Gandhiji was a great leader of India. The Ganges is a holy river. There is a cap on his head. Gold, silver, and money cannot buy honesty. The teacher taught me physics and chemistry. Monday is the first day of the week. He has been a good singer since his childhood. Friendship is a boon. Without health there is no happiness. He gave me a bunch of grapes. Ram eats bread, mangoes, and sugar. The ring is made of silver. There is a crowd on the road. I have love for my friends. The juice has no sweetness. Answers. Sohan, proper. Car, common. Red is an adjective. Children, common. Milk, material. Brother, common. Captain, common. Team, collective. Patna, proper. Capital, common. Bihar, proper. Cat, common. Eyes, common. Gandhiji, proper. Leader, common. India, proper. Ganges, proper. River, common. Cap, common. Head, common. Gold, silver, money, material. Honesty, abstract. Teacher, common. Physics, chemistry, proper as subjects. Monday, proper. Day, common. Week, common. Singer, common. Childhood, abstract. Friendship, abstract. Boon, abstract. Health, abstract. Happiness, abstract. Bunch, collective. Grapes, common. Ram, proper. Bread, mangoes, sugar, material. Ring, common. Silver, material. Crowd, collective. Road, common. Love, abstract. Friends, common. Juice, material. Sweetness, abstract.